Good afternoon. In this brief Excel learning video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to delete a whole bunch of blank rows. Now, this is only showing, I'm guessing, maybe 12 rows, but pretend instead of 12 rows, it was 1,200 rows. So you can just do it real quickly instead of one at a time. So, first thing I want to do is make sure that I highlight the data. You'll also notice that all of the rows, or all of the data, I should say, is congruent with the exception of the blank rows. In other words, there are no blank columns in between the data. That you have to make sure. Now, like I said, you would highlight the entire range and you'll see that there is a blank row in between every one of these set of numbers. Then I'm going to hold down the Control key and hit the letter G for Go. It brings up the Go To dialog box. In the lower left corner, I'm going to click on the button called Special. When the Go To Special dialog box appears, on the left side is a radio button called Blanks. So I select it, and when I click OK, it will select just the blank data, as you can see right here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my Control key and press the dash button. The dash button is at the top right next to the 0. Then I have an option there that says entire row, so I change it to that, click OK, and voila! All the blank rows are gone, just like that. Is that cool, or is that cool? So, as you can see here, I provide my services on not just Microsoft Excel, but all of the Microsoft Office Suite programs, as well as Microsoft Project, Microsoft Visio, Microsoft Teams, as well as the full suite of Adobe Acrobat tools. You'll also see I have an arrow pointing to Microsoft Copilot. That's the latest and greatest Microsoft AI tool. I would be more than happy to help you learn and associate your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, OneNote notebooks, Outlook emails, Teams platform. I will help you understand how you can incorporate Copilot effectively in all of those. Just reach out to me at tom@leadingedgebizservices.com. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.